Alright, let's see if we can do better this video. Alright, so again, what I have for everyone here today, back again with the second video on the day. Now I have my unboxing and first impressions of the Mago Bone-Conduction Bluetooth earphones, or earphone, because it's one earphone, it's not two. And so, without further ado, let's unbox this and let's get into the first impressions. Now, I have to say, I picked this one up via Amazon, and this is it. There was pretty much nothing else. There's no branding. This is the package that it came in. Now, it was inside of a bigger box, because you know Amazon packages their things well. But I was expecting at least to see some company branding. Nope, just plain plastic bag with the product here, which is the earpiece. A little rubber piece that slides on. I'm going to show you how that goes on. The user manual here, we're going to go through that in a second. And the micro USB charging port. So you can see right there, it is micro USB. Bam. And that's pretty much it. So a little bit disappointed. This is what I call a little bit too bare bones, but at least it was easy to open and it comes with everything you need to start using the product out the box. Now let's walk around the product. Let's walk through the user manual and then we'll wrap this video up. So here is the main earpiece itself. All right. And this piece right here goes on to the top of this. I believe it goes onto the top of this, if I remember correctly. Now, I already glanced at the user manual before I started this video, but I believe it goes on like this. Alright, something like that. I believe this turns around to make contact with your earlobe, like that. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when it's on your head. Now, when I do the fit and sound demo, y'all will see what this looks like on my head. But this is pretty much how the bone conduction earphone looks. Now, let's walk around this bad boy. So, on the bottom here, we have the volume up and down. Then we have what I think is a power button, which you can also see may be used to end and receive phone calls. We have a dedicated microphone there, so I wonder what that mic quality is going to look like. And that's pretty much it. And then on the reverse side, we have the micro USB charging port. Alright, very clean, very simple. I'm actually super excited to start using this because this is my first foray into bone conduction. And as you guys know, I do a lot of walking and exercising, and I'm looking for something that's very clean and very simple and easy to use. Right now, in terms of my workout, I'm still using my true wireless earbuds that I did a review on way back. But those aren't fitting in my ear as snug as I would like when I'm exercising and I get sweaty, so I figured we'll give this a shot. Alright? But that's pretty much it for the product here. This looks pretty clean. Alright, now let's take a look through the user manual and then we'll wrap this up. Alright, so this user manual comes in English and in Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure. So let's flip through this real quick. Now I'm going to go through this really fast. Again, we're going to go over... Not again, but typically what I do is in the review, we go over everything that you need to know, which includes the pairing process. But for those of you who just want to see what the product looks like before you get it and maybe go through the user manual, feel free to pause and read for yourself. But we're going to be quiet now and we're going to go through this rather quickly. All right, so flipping this open. All right, this is one side, which is the Japanese or Chinese side here. So I'm going to go back to front. So this is the back. And that's the front. Then flipping it over, this is the English side. So let's go front to back. So here's the front. Just pan through to the back. Again, feel free to pause and read for yourselves. Alright, let me back up some. There we go, get it all in the frame. Boom. 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 Alright, so briefly, what I'm seeing here is it has Bluetooth 4.1 on it. It has a 110 milliamp hour battery. All right, takes approximately 2 hours to charge. Again, we're going to put all of this to the test. And it said on Amazon that it has 10 hours of usage, but right here in the user manual, it says 9 hours of talk time. Now, you guys know I don't break up my usage into talk time and like music listening time. We just do a big combined total when I do my reviews on Bluetooth products. So we're going to see if it actually lasts 9 hours like they say here, or 10 hours as they quote on Amazon. But that pretty much goes over the user manual. So let's wrap this up and throw this off to the side. All right. Oops. Not too good at wrapping this back up. Matter of fact, let's just toss this off to the side here. We'll go through that later on. Anyways, this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Mago Bluetooth Bone-Conduction earphone. Now, my full review for this should probably take me about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, but you guys and gals be on the lookout because we will have a fit and sound demo as well as the full review. So we're going to cover a lot when we talk about this earphone here. Anyways, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please feel free to give your boy a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I post new videos. As always, all the links to this product here will be available down below in the video description. So if this video piqued your interest, down below in the video description gonna be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go, and you'll be able to find this earphone at some really good prices. That being said, this whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8. And all of the audio you guys and gals are hearing is being recorded using the Move 2010 omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality as well. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Alright, I feel better now. I redeemed myself from the last video. But you guys know I don't cut out stuff unless I absolutely have to, and I like to keep it raw and uncut. So any mistakes y'all see in the video, that happened in the video. But I feel better now because I redeemed myself with this video here. Anyways, I'll catch you guys and gals on my next video. Peace, everyone.